Is your 2008, 2011 Cadillac DTS key fob not working reliably? A dead battery is the most likely culprit. Replacing it yourself is a simple, cost-effective way to regain keyless entry and remote start functionality, saving you potentially $50 to $150 in shop fees. Your Cadillac DTS key fob requires a CR232 3-volt coin cell battery. This is a common type available at most drugstores, supermarkets, and online retailers. Ensure you purchase a fresh battery for optimal performance and longevity. Brands like Duracell and Energizer are reliable choices. Eco-friendly rechargeable alternatives exist, but standard replacements are generally used for the DTS. You'll need minimal tools for this project. A small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool, a guitar pick works well, to open the fob without scratching it. A non-conductive work surface is recommended to prevent static damage to the fob's internal circuitry. First, locate the seam on the key fob. Find the small seam running along the edge of the key fob. Carefully insert your pry tool into the seam. Gently twist to separate the two halves of the fob. Avoid excessive force to prevent damage. The fob should pop open with minimal effort. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the battery held in place by a small cover. Gently lift this cover to expose the battery. Be careful not to bend the internal circuit board. Use your tool to carefully remove the old battery. Note the orientation. The positive side should be facing up. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive plus side faces up, matching the original battery's position. The battery is now properly installed and ready for reassembly. Carefully snap the two halves of the key fob back together, ensuring they are securely closed. Test the key fob's functionality: lock, unlock, trunk release, and panic button. If any function fails, double-check the battery orientation and ensure the contacts are clean. If the key fob still doesn't work after battery replacement, check for corrosion on the battery contacts. This buildup can prevent proper electrical connection. Clean them gently with a cotton swab and rubbing alcohol to remove any buildup and restore conductivity. In rare cases, the fob may need reprogramming via your vehicle's onboard computer. This involves cycling the ignition key or following specific button sequences. Consult your owner's manual for instructions on key fob reprogramming or visit a Cadillac dealer for assistance. While this DIY fix keeps your older DTS fob working, the future is digital. Newer Cadillacs use longer-lasting batteries or smartphone apps as keys. Trends point towards fully digital key systems, potentially eliminating battery replacements altogether. However, for legacy vehicles like your DTS, DIY tutorials will remain relevant.